Pony Jorgensen just released a new jack plane at No.5. If you've seen the No.4 or their 60.5, they're doing a pretty good job and an excellent affordable price. Right now, it's available on Amazon as of yesterday, is when I found it, and it is on sale for, instead of $120, $100. But even better yet, if you look, you can see that they've got it on sale with a bundle with a blade that's $20. So if you opt for that one, you're going to get basically $20 off the plane and a $20 blade for free. That's $100 plus your shipping. If you have Prime, of course, that's free. So I highly recommend it. I will be coming out with a review once I get mine. I've already ordered it. But to get the plane, No.5, and the blade for $100 and change is pretty outstanding. So like and subscribe if you want to see the full review. And thanks so much. And if you get a chance, go ahead and try and pick one up. So check in the description. I will have an affiliate link if you're interested in picking this deal up while it's available. There's a link there. If you do use it, I will get a small commission